Hey guys, if you struggle with following through with a regular meditation practice, then please listen to my story because I went from 0 minutes to 15 minutes a day. And if I can do it, then you can definitely do it because I'm actually a lazy person. So let me tell you the story of how I did it. But if you would like to implement a singing meditation to your daily practice, I have one that's 10 minutes long. You can use it daily. So just comment Sing and Relax. I'm going to send you a link to the free video. For those of you who don't know me, who are new to my channel, just welcome. I'm Energy and I'm a vocal coach. I also create singing meditations to help you relax fast by using your singing voice. So if you're struggling with following through with a regular meditation practice, you can definitely do it. Just try it the way I did it because I went from 0 minutes to 15 minutes a day and I'm following through every day since 2 years. So, how did I do it? Actually, it's not about singing or meditating because that comes easily to me, but it's about sports. For me, sports was always very difficult to follow through. As a kid, I was the musical kid. I was in the musical gang. I was not in the sports gang. So whenever we had sports at school, I pretended to be sick so that my teacher would sit me on the bank and just wait, and I was sick like almost every week, so I really hated it. Then when I became an adult, I really struggled with sports still. I knew I had to do sports to stay healthy, to feel my body better, and also for singing, but I just could not follow through. I started, then I failed, then I gave up, I started again, and it just was not my thing. I really gave up on this until I realized that I did something very wrong and I made it difficult for myself, so I did not follow through. The change happened when I realized that my expectation of 30 minutes a day was just too high. I just had to accept that this was too much for me, and I started to lower my expectations to 5 minutes a day. I chose something that sounded like fun. I chose Pilates. And I said to myself, hey, 5 minutes a day, you can do this. Do this for 1 week. Just see how it works. Just 5 minutes a day. And I'm very embarrassed. In my first week, I did not even manage this. I did not even manage 5 minutes a day. Okay, but I was patient with myself and told myself, just try another week. And so in the second week, I really managed it, and there was a risk because I really liked it, and the risk was setting the goals too fast, higher, so setting from 5 to 10 minutes just too fast. So I stayed at the 5 minutes for months. And I could not believe that even then I had results. My belly was getting flatter, I grew muscles in my arms with only 5 minutes a day. But okay, it's logical from 0 minutes a day to 5 minutes a day. That's 35 minutes a week from 0 to 35 minutes. Muscles grow, yeah. So I was so surprised and I kept it. I put it into my daily routine, into my morning routine, just after coffee. Every day after coffee, 5 minutes Pilates, I could manage this. And then when I was really successful with it, just staying with it, I raised the expectation to 10 minutes a day. And again, I stayed there for months because I know how I am. If I raise expectations too fast, I give up. And I stayed there for months until I wanted, really, my body wanted to make more and to do more. And so I raised it to 15 minutes a day, and now I'm at 15 minutes a day, every morning after my coffee. And I'm so proud of myself. That's a complete change. In the past, I would not follow through. So I hope this story inspires you to get back to what your goals were with regular meditation practice, or even any practice you would like to do. Playing an instrument, meditate, also sports like me. And this works for me, so why wouldn't it work for you? The secret is to really implement it daily into a habit system, like when you wake up in the morning routine, you have your coffee, for example, and after that you make blood. You can also make your sports practice before coffee, just like you like, but it has to be a part of daily system you already have, a daily habit system. Just like you brush your teeth daily, it's your habit system after waking up. So you drink your coffee daily, it's also a habit that you follow through regularly. It's actually not that difficult if you just implement it into those habits. If you would like to start singing meditations, for example, 10 minutes a day, then I would recommend to do it before sleep, because your whole nervous system, your whole body, it really calms down. It's easier to fall asleep, so it would be really beneficial for you. And if you would like to start it, like to try this and use it daily, just comment Sing and Relax. I'm going to send you a link to a 10-minute sing meditation. It's completely free and you don't have to be a singer to do this because it's so easy. And just do this like me, just put it into your system before sleep. Every day before sleep, I do this meditation. Do this for a week. If it doesn't work, try it for another week. If it doesn't work, for the third week. It's more minutes than 0. And I'd rather have like 70 minutes of meditation a week than 0. And say my goal is too high and not follow through. Okay? So just commencing and relax, you want to implement it. If you're a stressed person, you have much stress in your day, this is a must to meditate and relax. Like for me, if I sing, for me it's a must to have sport, to do sports daily. Like it's to feel healthy and to feel relaxed. This is a must. Okay, so commencing and relax, I'm going to send you the link and I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care.